Hello, in this example we will actually are going to zoom something with code. When we were creating the library, we did this using the abstract designer. Because we are using live swapping, we code. Let's first just go through the process of creating slides. Step 1. Create a VM element. Step 2. Create a Z view and add it to the VM element. Step 3. Create Z spot and add it to the Z view. Step 4. Add the template to the VM element. Step 5. Add VM element to the app. For this exercise we will create 2 VM elements, in each one we will add a Z view, then add a Z spot to one of them. We want the theme for our app to be white, so we have changed it and refreshed the circle. We set the starting slide for our app, it will be foo. Because foo has not been created, we get a notification that it does not exist. Let's create it. Step 1. We create the VM element. Step 2. We create the Z view that we will place in our VM element. Step 3. We create a Z spot for our Z view. We add this Z spot to the Z view. Let's run the app without the Z spot and see what it gives us. It should show foo view. This now only has the Z view and nothing else. The VM element is just an internal component to Vue.js. When the Z spot is added, we have specified a 45 degrees angle. This will sit somewhere here on the Z view. We finalize our 5-step process for this Z view. This is the basic way of how we will always do this with code. On the Z spot, we specified the toView attribute. This tells the Z spot where to go when selected. Because we have not created the bar view to go to, we have an error. So let's add the bar Z view so that our apps works without bugs. For this Z view we are not adding any spots inside it. You guessed it right, the text that will appear inside the bar Z view will be bar view. Let's run and zoom in and zoom out, and see what happens now. Perhaps let's change the labels. Oops. Let's rather specify that with the label property, as that makes it appear outside the Z spot. Rather, let's see what size does. There, so it increases the size of the spot. Cool. We will play around with these attributes as we go along.